Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache on your iPhone to free up storage. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's helpful to understand what cache actually is. As you use your iPhone, apps and websites save temporary files, images, and other data. These files help apps load faster the next time you open them. Over time, though, this cached data can build up and take up several gigabytes of storage, so clearing it occasionally is a good idea. Let's start by checking your storage. Open the Settings app, then tap General, followed by iPhone storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of how much storage is being used and which apps are taking up the most space. Scroll all the way down and tap System Data. This section contains temporary files, logs, caches, and other system resources that iOS uses. The amount shown here constantly changes depending on how you use your device. On some iPhones, it can grow to well over 20 gigabytes. Now let's reduce some of that cached data. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you found Apps, tap on Apps, and then look for Safari. Open it, scroll to the bottom, and tap Advanced. Then select Website Data. This page shows all the website data Safari has stored on your iPhone. At the bottom, you'll notice how much space it's using. You have two options here. You can tap Edit if you want to remove data from specific websites, or simply tap Remove All Website Data to clear everything at once. Confirm your choice, and Safari's stored cache will be removed. If you use Google Chrome instead of Safari, you should clear its cache as well. Exit the Settings app and open Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner, then choose History. Next, tap Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Then make sure options like cached images and files, cookies, and browsing history are selected. Once everything is checked, tap Delete Data and confirm. That clears the browsing cache stored by Chrome. Next, let's clear cached files from apps that consume a lot of storage. Open Settings again, go to General, and then iPhone Storage. Look through your list of apps and pay attention to the ones using the most space. Social media apps often build up a large amount of cached data. Tap on one of these apps, then select Offload App and confirm. As soon as the process finishes, tap Reinstall App. Offloading removes the app itself while keeping your personal data, and reinstalling it clears out many of the temporary files that had accumulated over time. You can repeat this process for other large apps as well. I usually do this for any app that's using more than 1 gigabyte of storage. Keep in mind that Apple's built-in apps, such as Photos, Messages, and Mail, don't offer the same offload option for clearing cache. However, in apps like Messages, you can review and delete large attachments to recover additional storage if needed. After offloading and reinstalling an app, you should notice its storage size drop significantly. For example, an app using over 1 gigabyte might shrink to only a few hundred megabytes. Finally, there's one more thing you can try: a force restart. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Even when the slide to power off screen appears, continue holding the side button. Your screen will eventually turn black, and after a few more seconds, the Apple logo will appear. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and let your iPhone restart. A forced restart can sometimes help clear temporary system files and reduce system cache, making it a useful final step after cleaning up your storage. And that's it. Those are some of the easiest ways to clear cache on your iPhone, free up storage space, and keep your device running smoothly. Thanks for watching.